In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Express for social media. Adobe Express is a great way to create polished posts quickly, even if you're not a designer. We'll move from a blank workspace to a ready-to-share design by following a simple path, and I'll add practical tips along the way so your content looks clean, consistent, and on-brand. Start by opening Adobe Express and choosing Social Media. This puts all the right tools in front of you and filters the workspace for the formats you're most likely to use. It's a small step that saves time and keeps you focused on designs that fit each platform. Next, select a platform size. Pick the format that matches where your post will live. Square for many Instagram and Facebook feeds, vertical 9:16 for stories, reels, TikTok, and shorts, or 16:9 for YouTube thumbnails and cover art. Choosing the correct canvas up front prevents awkward cropping later. As you design, keep text and key visuals toward the center so nothing important gets cut off by interface elements on mobile. Now decide whether to pick a template or start from a blank canvas. Templates are fast and flexible. You can filter by style, mood, or topic, and swap in your content to make it your own. Look for layouts that already mirror your goal, like bold headlines for announcements or image-forward templates for product highlights. If you prefer full control, start blank. Sketch a simple hierarchy, a clear headline, supporting text, and a focal image. Leave breathing room around edges to improve readability. With your layout set, edit text, fonts, colors, and images. Click any text to rewrite it, and choose fonts that are legible at a glance. Pair one strong display font with a simple body font to keep things tidy. For colors, stick to 2 or 3 that align with your brand and maintain strong contrast between text and background for accessibility. Update images by uploading your own or selecting from the built-in libraries. Crop to highlight the subject, adjust brightness and contrast, and consider subtle filters to unify your look. Finally, add animations, icons, or music if needed. Light motion on text or elements can draw attention in feeds, but keep it tasteful and brief. Icons help clarify ideas and add personality. Choose styles that match your fonts and colors. If you're creating video-based content, pick royalty-free music from the library and balance the volume so narration or on-screen text remains clear. That's it. Simple steps, lots of creative control, and a professional result tailored to each platform.